Stop scrolling because I've been using an AI research tool for months now, and it's finally time to talk about it. Most AI tools just slap ChatGPT on everything. But Bohrium? It runs on DeepSeek R1 and GPT-4o, and it's built specifically for researchers. This isn't a chatbot pretending to know science. It's a full AI-powered research hub already trusted by institutions like Peking University and Wuhan University. Here's what makes it ridiculous. Bohrium searches through over 170 million papers, 160 million patents, and 20 million scholar profiles across 140,000 journals and 26 academic disciplines. You type a question in plain language and it finds the most relevant studies, ranks them by importance, and organizes everything for you. No more drowning in PDFs or endless Google Scholar tabs. When I tested it on early biomarkers of Parkinson's disease, Bohrium's Science Navigator broke down the topic instantly. It delivered a prioritized list of top studies, a larger set for deeper reading, and even surfaced actual figures and diagrams from the research itself. Most AI tools wouldn't even come close to that. Now my favorite part, the AI summaries. For any paper, Bohrium breaks down the methods, results, conclusions, and key figures without you writing a single prompt. You can also have a direct conversation with the paper. Ask about specific results, methodology choices, gaps in the research, anything. And the key difference here is that Bohrium offers 100% literature traceability. Every answer links back to a real, verified source. If the information isn't in the paper, it tells you straight up. That kind of honesty is rare in AI tools, and it's a game changer for serious research. But it gets even better. You can have conversations across multiple papers at the same time. I pulled together 4 studies and asked Bohrium to identify gaps in the literature. It immediately pointed out early diagnosis challenges, the need for novel biomarkers, and several underexplored research directions. You can even generate mind maps to visualize themes and connections across different papers. It genuinely feels like having a research team working alongside you, minus the coffee breaks and someone rating your snacks. The AI-generated visuals deserve their own shout-out too. Flowcharts, mechanism diagrams, concept maps. You choose a template, adjust it, and you've got clean, professional visuals in seconds. Whether it's for a presentation, a journal paper, or a grant proposal, this feature alone saves hours of manual work. And once you're done, everything exports to Markdown, CSV, or LaTeX, so it fits right into workflows with tools like Zotero or Jupyter. No extra hassle. After months of using Bohrium, here's the bottom line. The database is massive and constantly updated. Every answer traces back to real research. The AI summaries make complex papers instantly digestible. It doesn't make things up. And it turns hours of tedious literature review into minutes. Fast, reliable, and honestly, it makes research kind of enjoyable. Bohrium has a free tier with 1,500 credits, which is more than enough to get started. If you need more, premium plans unlock features like unlimited searches, advanced paper comparison, and full scholar profile access. I've left a link in the description if you want to try it out. Let me know in the comments. Have you used Bohrium before? Or is this your first time hearing about it? And if this was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.